Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video I am going to do a collective haul. So I got some things from Myntra and as well as Nykaa. So I thought instead of doing two different videos because I don't have a lot of products, I'll do it in one single video. I have stored all the products in this one box. So let's get started with the video without any further delay. So the first product which I got from Myntra is this cute hairband. This is from a brand called Blueberry. This actually retails for 999, but I got this for 499. So I thought it was a good deal. It looks really cute. It looks like this. It has got a knot on the top. So I really liked it. It's really trendy. I really think it is worth the money, but do buy it only on discounts. I will leave a link to this headband in the description box so you guys can check it out. The next product I got is this blush. This is the Wet n Wild blush in the shade Mellow Wine. Pretty mauvey blush with brown undertone. I will give you a swatch. This is how it looks like. This will show up on all Indian skin tones. It's quite dark, so but on the face it won't look very harsh. It nicely blend on the skin and it really looks good on the skin. So I will highly recommend to buy this. You can find this on discounts on Hawk Makeup as well. I had used this blush in my last makeup tutorial and it's a matte blush. I really like matte blushes and this is very affordable. The actual price for this product is 399, but I got it for 319 rupees. The next product I got is this lipstick. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Last Catsuit lipstick. This is in the shade Rebel Rose. It's a very pretty mauvey nude color. This is the lipstick I'm wearing on my lips right now. This is the shade. This will suit fair to medium skin tones. It's really pretty and I really love this formula. I already have two other shades from this same range. So I thought to check out a nude shade and I really like this. It's very lightweight and it's very comfortable on the lips. This is the one I'm wearing right now. You can see it doesn't dry out the lips that much. Of course it's a liquid lipstick, so it will be drying. So I have applied a lip balm before I applied this, so it's quite comfortable. These lipsticks are really pigmented and quite long wearing. This will not move for at least 5 to 6 hours. I really love this formula. The next product is this Maybelline Colossal Bold Liner. This is in the shade black. This retails for 249 rupees, but I got it for around 224 rupees. This is how the bottle looks like. It's pretty black. Even this I had used in my previous makeup tutorial. This is how black it is. This won't dry down complete matte, so if you like matte eyeliners you won't like it, but I don't mind a glossy eyeliner as well, so I really liked it and it is quite inexpensive also. This eyeliner is smudge proof and waterproof as well, and it's quite long lasting. Let's talk about the products which I got from Nykaa. The first thing I got is this face wash. This is a new launch. They have 3 variants in this. I got this in saffron and honey variant. This is how the tube looks like. This retails for 139 rupees for 100 ml. This is paraben free and cruelty free. I have been using this for the past 1 week and I really liked it. It is very gentle on the skin. It is a foaming face wash, so it lathers up really well. It removes the dirt and gunk on your face really well. It has got a gel consistency. This is how it looks like. It has got a very mild fragrance. It doesn't bother me and it hasn't broken me out till now, so I would highly recommend if you are looking for an affordable face wash. The next product I got is this Sentive's cream. It is the Sentive's renewing soft cream with avocado and coconut oil. This is a new launch as well. I really love this brand when it comes to skincare and body care. I really love their body lotions, body washes and creams. So when I saw this, I was really interested in this. This is how the tub looks like. It is a little bit expensive. It retails for 699 rupees, but I got for 594. I will show you the texture of this cream. This is how it looks like. It's a very thick cream, so if you have very oily skin, you will not like this, but if you have normal to dry skin, you will really like this. I use this as a night cream in my nighttime skincare routine, so I really like this and I've been really enjoying using this. This cream is paraben free, alcohol free and dermatologically tested as well. Once I use this when I wake up in the morning next day, it really makes my skin soft and supple, and the fragrance is also very pleasant. So I really love this purchase. The next product is the Plum Illuminance Makeup Removing Balm. It's a cleansing balm basically. This retails for 545 rupees. Yeah, I got it for 463 rupees. I will show you the packaging. So this is how the tub looks like, and this is how the product looks like. I have used this twice and I have a very mixed review about this. It does remove the base makeup really well, but when it comes to waterproof makeup, you have to go like twice over the eye makeup to remove completely. It is not that bad. I really like this. It doesn't dry out your skin and it is quite gentle on the skin. This is a 100% vegan product. It's a cruelty free and paraben free brand, and they also doesn't contain sulfates, so it doesn't have any harmful chemicals in this, and it hasn't broken me out as well. I use this for at least a month, then I'll be able to give a complete review on this product. It also comes with a spatula, so if you don't want to put your fingers, you can use this for hygienic reasons. The next two products are from ProArt. These are the two products. One is the ProArt PE22 blending brush. This is how it looks like. It is an eyeshadow blending brush. And next is a mascara brush. This is how the brush looks like. This comes in a packaging like this. This brush retails for 375 rupees and the mascara brush retails for 225 rupees. So once I use it, I will give you a review about this. But ProArt is a very famous brand in India, and I have used their brushes before and they are of really good quality. This is really soft and I hope it will help in blending the eyeshadows properly. There was no discounts on these products. The last product I got are these earrings. I got this from Nykaa only. This is by a brand called Jewels Galaxy, and this is how the earrings looks like. It's a very pretty hoop earrings. I have worn this only once. It is of really good quality, and this retails for 699 rupees, but I got this for 384 rupees on discount. So I thought it was a really good deal, and I want to try a bigger earring. So those were the products which I got from Nykaa and Myntra. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy, subscribe and hit the notification bell right next to it. Also follow me on my Instagram. I will leave the handle name in the description box. I will see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.